The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 2. The Executive. The Governor. Article 161. Power of Governor to grant pardons, etc., and to suspend, remit, or commute sentences in certain cases. The Governor of a state shall have the power to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment, or to suspend, remit or commute the sentence of any person convicted of any offence, against any law, relating to a matter, to which the executive power of the state extends.